retirement can seem overwhelming. With so many different options and strategies, it's tough to know where to begin. But don't worry, if you're watching this, you're already on the right track. The good news is, planning for retirement doesn't have to be complicated, especially when you focus on the most effective strategies that protect your future. Now, before we dive into specifics, I want to quickly point out that if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially over the next couple of weeks, I encourage you to check out the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are securing their savings with gold IRAs, and it could be the best decision you make for your retirement. So, take a minute, grab your free guide, and let's get into it. When you think about retirement, the first thing you need to consider is how to diversify your assets. Far too many retirees put all their eggs in one basket, whether that's relying heavily on stocks, bonds, or even real estate. But here's the thing, relying on traditional methods like these might expose your retirement funds to unnecessary risks, especially in uncertain economic times. That's where gold IRAs come in. Gold IRAs offer a hedge against inflation and market volatility, something that stocks and bonds can't always protect you from. By adding gold into your retirement portfolio, you're protecting your wealth from external factors like economic downturns. But before we get into how to open a gold IRA, let's first talk about the steps you can take to plan for retirement. One of the first things you need to figure out is how much you'll actually need in retirement. It's easy to think you'll get by with a simple savings account, but in reality, you'll likely need more than you think. Factor in living expenses, healthcare costs, and of course, inflation. The last thing you want is to run out of money before you run out of time. That's why it's important to not only save, but to grow your money in ways that work harder for you. So, the next step is to start investing. You can invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate, but these can be risky and they don't offer the level of protection that a gold IRA does. Gold has historically performed well during times of crisis, making it one of the safest investments for retirees looking to secure their wealth for the long term. Another important part of planning for retirement is having a clear strategy for withdrawals. Once you've reached retirement, you want to make sure you're withdrawing money efficiently. The last thing you want is to deplete your savings too quickly or get stuck paying unnecessary taxes on your withdrawals. A financial advisor can help with this, but don't overlook the impact of tax planning in your retirement strategy. You'll need to balance your withdrawal strategies to ensure that your funds last as long as possible. This is where a gold IRA really shines. Not only does it provide the security and growth potential that other investments can't match, but it also offers tax-deferred benefits. So, your gold investment grows without the tax burden until you withdraw it. And here's the real kicker. If you're over 50, you can contribute more to your retirement savings. This is called catch-up contributions, and it's a great way to fast-track your retirement planning if you haven't been able to save as much in your younger years. So, if you're serious about securing your future, don't just rely on traditional methods. Protect your wealth by diversifying into a gold IRA, which will give you stability and long-term growth. If you're wondering how to get started, click that first link in the description. The free gold IRA guide will show you exactly how to protect your wealth, especially if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 million in savings. Don't wait until it's too late. Get your free guide now. Remember, planning for retirement isn't just about saving money. It's about making your money work harder for you. By taking the right steps today, you're positioning yourself for a comfortable, worry-free retirement tomorrow. If you're serious about protecting your wealth with a gold IRA and want to learn more, check the link below. This guide is perfect for American retirees with 100K plus or more in savings. It's your best shot at securing your future and living the retirement you deserve.